It's a new day and a new course. Welcome to Intermediate to Advanced Users in Excel. I am Aditya Singh and I'm delighted to have you here. I hope you know the basic Excel interface, tools and formulae well by now. If you've directly jumped into this course, you might face some problems, and in that case, I would insist you to check out the level 1 of the course. We will quickly check out a bunch of random but cool Excel tricks in this video. First of all, starting with the basics, at the top of your workbook, at the center of the screen, there is the name of your file followed by its extension. For me, it's timesheet and expenses followed by its extension, that is XLSX. Okay, now let's quickly check out some of the tricks that involve populating cells by barely typing on the data on your keyboard. So start with, say, weekday Monday, and then I will quickly populate the list and say I want this cell to be equal to this cell, and I will quickly populate this cell as well, making it a list. So now we are populating list. We will quickly adjust the column size so it gets neater in display. Now let's check out how to reference a cell on one sheet to other sheet's cell. To do that, first of all, we will add a sheet to our Excel file, and then we will go back to the first sheet, and then under the view section of the ribbon, I will select new window. What this will do is open an identical window. I will go back to my previous window, and over there now view side by side option is available to me. I will click on it and it will display the other window that has been opened by this button side by side. In my case it's top and bottom. In your case it might be left or right, but it doesn't matter. Now in one of the window, go to sheet 2. Over there you can reference the cell from the top window in the cell of the bottom window. To do that, you simply click on the cell you want to reference, and now you can see usually what Excel says is equal to A1. Now it says equal to sheet 1 exclamation A1. That is the Excel way of saying that cell A1 of sheet 1. Now press enter and it will display the cell A1's data from sheet 1, and now you can expand it to Sunday. And now the interesting part is, since we have populated the list by Excel functions and each and every cell is dependent on one another, so when I will change a data in any one of the array, the corresponding data in all the three array will change simultaneously. I will demonstrate it to you. Say I want to change Thursday to I don't know, mobiles. I don't know why I typed this, but that's what got into my mind at the moment, and I'll press enter, and you can see that the Thursday was replaced by mobiles in all the three arrays.